Frank from Appx Enterprises here to give a review today on ink for a printer. This ink is from MeaBefit, or MeaBefit. It's however you want to pronounce that. For those of you interested, that's the ASIN. You could just search for on Amazon to get the exact product. So just to note that this is an Amazon Vine review, so they did send this to me for free, as long as I give an honest review of it. So, first things first is to open it up and see what we have. So, the printer that this ink is about to go into takes 5 different ink cartridges, so this is a 10-pack, so it's got, 2 of each. So as you can see, the XXL black, the XXL, the mini black one, which is a little confusing. See, these are 280s, 281, 281 cyan, 281 magenta, 281 yellow. So, let's go over to the printer. Basically, I'm just going to be testing to see if it, first off, fits in the printer, to see if it's recognized by the printer and it doesn't error out. And also, I will be looking to just do a test print and make sure it works. Now, there is somewhat new ink in the printer, which you'll see in a minute, so I'm thinking I might only do one of these. I mean, because one of these should be representative of all of them. I mean, they're literally the exact same thing. Same size, same everything except the color of the liquid on the inside. So as you can see, this printer is a Canon TR8620A. So first things first, I'm just going to go ahead and check the current ink levels. After I get this focused, there we go. So how to check that is down here is a little I for information. You hit that, estimated ink levels. So it looks like magenta or cyan I'm going to replace. Once again, I don't have to replace them all since it was just replaced not that long ago, but I at least need to do one just to confirm that the printer detects it, accepts it, yada yada. Okay, got to get the old ink out, so I'm just going to grab underneath here, and here, just lift this whole thing up. There you go, the ink comes out. Like that. So now, I can go ahead and just replace one of them. I'm going to try the cyan one here, so just undo the clip. There you go. So now I'm going to go and get the new cyan out, so it's going to be down here. I got to open this. Yep, I'm going to remove this tab like that, and don't touch that. Slide it in. There we go, you hear the beep, so it knows something's in. And there you go. So it recognizes it as a genuine Canon ink tank, 281 XXL cyan. Tap OK. As for ink levels, there you go. See, now it's full. So the only thing left to do is a test print. And there you go, after a test print, you can see there's a little bit of an issue with the current black ink tanks in there, but we've been having that issue for a while. The cyan, perfect everywhere. So, I mean, overall, it's a good purchase. I mean, they fit in here. It recognizes it as a genuine cartridge. As you see, it works. So, I mean, 10-pack is a pretty good deal. It's enough to change your ink twice. So, overall, I think this is a good purchase, a good product.